Hi guys, fix Windows 11 update error 0x8007023b. Is firstly open File Explorer and this PC. Right click to C drive and click to more, then click to properties and then click to disk cleanup. Now, so you click thumbnails, temporary internet file and download program file and then cleanup file. So now and then okay, delete file. So now cleaning the temporary file. Sometimes it's not update, it's because last update temporary file it save your C drive, so latest is not install download and then install, so that's why second last temporary update temporary file is you want to remove. So okay, and then close, and then guys click to start button, go to setting, Windows update, update your graphic card and your display driver and your system, because if your driver is not installed properly to here to show install driver, so you can click check and then install, and also have any update is pending, so please install. Okay, and guys uninstall your third party antivirus, so because that has whose antivirus has the free, so please uninstall. Click to start button and type CON control panel, then click to uninstall program. So you choose click and then right click to uninstall, so free antivirus you uninstall. Okay, now step is then you want to corrupted file repair, so all command I give start button and type cmd, then right click to run as administrator, click to yes, type sfc space slash scan now and then enter. Now this is this command for your Windows file corrupted, not installing, not uninstalling, not opening. It means any file has corrupted and repaired to 100%. So guys, please wait few minutes. So guys, scan now PC is complete 100% now showing, and this is second command. So all command I will give you in description, so you right click to just copy and on this paste, just right click automatically paste, so then enter. Okay, so actually there are three commands, CheckHealth, ScanHealth and RestoreHealth. So now ScanHealth and then one more, then enter. Now this is some doing. Then guys you enter third command and RestoreHealth and type enter. Now this is restoring your system health, so please wait few minutes.